Hello, today we are going to study about assignment operator. In the last lecture, we studied about different operator and uh, in detail we studied about arithmetic operators. And today we are going to explore about assignment operator, what is assignment operator and why we use assignment operator. So if you are new on this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and let's move on to assignment operator. Basically, assignment operator, we use assignment operator to assign values to variables. We studied so far about this statement, which we call initialization of a variable index is equal to 10. Here, the equal sign, here equal sign is known as assignment operator, and when we use assignment operator, what it do, basically it assign the right hand value, which is 10 in this case, to the left hand side variable, which is x in this case. So basically it assign value to a variable, and that is why we use assignment operator. Let's see some detail more about assignment operator. Here is assignment operator with plus sign. What it will do, it is equivalent to x is equal to x plus 3. It will add 3 in the value of variable x, and it will store result in x. We will see in practical demonstration of the assignment operator later on this video. And similarly, we can perform subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, to understand basically what will happen when we use this code, let's move to Visual Studio and do a practical about assignment operator. So I'm going to write index is equal to 5, let's say, and I'm going to see what happened with x. So I use here assignment operator, and what it will do, it will assign the value 5 to variable x. Now let's run this code, and here I got a result that is 5. Now what we will do, let's say I want to store update value of x, and I want to add 7 in this value of x, and I am expecting that there is a 5 value in the variable x, and I am adding 7, and when I'll add these two value, I'll get the result 12. So let's run this code. What will happen? Here I got result 12, so it is working perfectly. Now I don't want to write this whole line, because I believe in shorthand coding. For example, if you are an expert, what you can do, you can simply write it, use this plus equal. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll use this, and now I'll run the code. What we see that is it error, or what will happen now in the value of x. Say I am printing the value of x, and it is 12 in this case too. It means that what this statement will do, it will add in the value of x the new variable, the new value that I have given, that which is x, which is 7 in this case, and it added this value, and it's also stored its result in x. So what is it doing? It is adding two values, and it is storing it into the x. So these are the assignment operators. In the next video, we will discuss about comparison operators and logical operators. So learn programming easily from this platform. Thank you so much.